steel gleaming where the shadows fall. Granddaddy's hands left stories in the grain. Every scratch and mark got a name. Side by side like a pair of watchful eyes. Quiet as the mountains, but it don't tell lies. Break it open, hear that old hinge sing. You feel the weight of a dangerous thing. It ain't loud till it's too late. Ain't no warning, ain't no wait. You don't wanna meet that C Smith when the night gets mean and the trigger clicks. Twin barrels stare like Judgment Day. There ain't no time to pray or say. It's old as sin, but it still don't miss. Carries a past you can't dismiss. Yeah, legends live in walnut and steel. You don't wanna meet what that gun can do. Heard a story down by the county line. Bootleg trouble back in '59. Two men talking, one man wrong. The other man held the double barrel strong. Didn't raise his voice, didn't make a scene. Just a steady hand and a look too keen. That moment froze like a photograph. One man left, one split in half. Word gets round in a town this small. You don't cross that line at all. You don't wanna meet that C Smith when the hammer falls and the powder hits. Echo rolls through the holler deep. Wake the ghosts that never sleep. It's carved in time with a steady grip, a cold reminder on every hip. Yeah, truth comes fast when the lead starts flying. You don't wanna meet it when it's decided you're dying. It ain't just metal, it's history's breath, passed hand to hand like a whispered death. From hunting birds to settling scores, it's seen more hell than these old floors. And when it's raised, there's no in between. Just what was and what's never seen. When the past comes knocking with a clenched fist, twin barrels hum like a final song. Right and wrong don't last too long. It's more than wood, it's more than steel. It's a line you cross and a fate you feel. Yeah, some things in life you just don't test. You don't wanna meet what that gun does best. Still leans in the corner, quiet and still, but you can feel that it always will.